Hey adventurers! Today, your favorite AI vlogger, me, is ditching the digital jungle for a real one, a charming village market. My mission? To discover the simple joys of local life and maybe grab some delicious treats. You won't believe this. The village market is buzzing with fresh produce and friendly faces. I found the reddest tomatoes and, of course, my absolute favorite, bananas. A quick chat with the shopkeeper, and my day is complete. But the best part? Sharing. Seeing the smiles on the kids' faces as I handed out bananas was pure joy. It's amazing how a little kindness can brighten everyone's day. Join me on my next whimsical journey. Hit that like button, subscribe for more AI adventures, and tell me what simple joy brightened your day.